Hello everyone, and welcome to How to Have Pumpkin Spice Coffee All Year Long. It's November 2nd, and people probably think pumpkin spice coffee is only for October 1st through October 31st. That is a myth, okay? You can have pumpkin spice coffee all year long, 365 days a year, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. You can have your pumpkin spice coffee fix. And it is so easy. You're gonna be like, Elizabeth, oh my God, why didn't I think of that? That's so easy. All right, first you're gonna have your coffee, duh. What you're gonna do, go to Trader Joe's. Now, if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, you should move. So after you move, you're gonna go to Trader Joe's and you're gonna get the Trader Joe's Pumpkin Pie Spice. Now, you're gonna wanna buy about like 3 of these, and they're only about $1.99 at Trader Joe's, whereas if you go to a regular supermarket, they're for some reason crazy expensive. They're like $8.99, and I'm like, no, why are you gonna do that? You can just go to Trader Joe's and get them for $1.99 each, okay? You get to get your pumpkin pie spice. All right, you got your pumpkin pie spice. So now I do French press coffee, but this will work with any type of coffee that you do. So you're gonna get your whatever coffee system you use, and I'm not gonna actually do this. I'm just gonna mimic it because I don't wanna waste coffee. So you're gonna put your coffee into whatever coffee system you're using. French press, you can put it in your coffee filter, whatever you want to do. So after you put the grinds into your coffee, whatever, you're gonna take the pumpkin pie spice and sprinkle it on top of your grinds, okay? You could put as much as you want, go crazy if you want to, but I usually do about 3 or 4 sort of sprinkles, and then when I'm done, I just sort of kind of do this a little bit with my French press, shake it up, and to get the grinds and the pumpkin spice all mixed up. All right, and then you just brew your coffee, and when you have your coffee, it's gonna taste like pumpkin spice. And you can do this all year long, okay? You don't have to wait for Starbucks, okay? You don't have to wait till September, October, whenever the hell Starbucks starts their pumpkin spice crap. You don't have to wait. You could do this all year with just one simple magic ingredient, Trader Joe's pumpkin pie spice. That is it. How easy was that? All right, if you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more silliness.